DJT stock analysis tomorrow and onward. This for next week. Am I buying or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. So I'm looking at DJT and all I can see is like some increases in price. That's what I really would love to see. And we're finally getting something. Just for context, all I'm sticking is to something that I've refined over 31,000 videos and I've documented everything. And even with DJT, here's the thing. Let me go to the lower time frame. All I really waited for was a simple double break. And I've gotten one break up, but we're almost there. Almost there. I mean, it's not like I'm waiting for like something huge to happen here. All I would love to see is like that second break. If there is a full candle close on the 30-minute chart about 3302, then and only then this is something that I'm going to be buying. And I'm just fascinated about the gaps, and we might be doing as well as just filling in the gap here. But it is what it is, right? I'm sticking to something that I've refined and I have a lot of data on. So, but if you want to learn to make more money by taking less trades for free, click the first link in the description. Our reviews are 5 stars.